After removing the PCBA, subboard, and speaker, use the metal tweezers to pry up the receiver from the front cover assembly. Use the plastic tweezers to remove the sealing adhesive from the receiver. Attach the receiver sealing adhesive to the front cover. Remove the adhesive release paper from the receiver. Use the plastic tweezers to install the receiver on the front cover, and use the plastic tweezers to gently press the receiver so that it is securely attached to the adhesive. Install the PCBA, subboard, and speaker to the front cover. The screen installation is now complete.